Christy Vega Glue, and I'm going to show you how to make brown fondant. We're going to start with some already made chocolate fondant and some white fondant. Now, depending on how dark you want your brown fondant, you would just add adequate amount of white. So, for the most part, I want to keep this brown the same color, but I want to add just a tiny bit of white to this, just to tone it down just a tad. This color that I'm making right now is good for sculpting monkeys or animal types. As you're kneading this, the warmth of your hand makes the fondant sticky, so you want to add a little bit of vegetable shortening, just kind of rub it in your hands. So I'm kneading it, and you just knead it to get the right color that you want, and that's pretty much a brown fondant. Another way you can make brown fondant is adding brown food color to white. I would recommend adding the chocolate fondant or white fondant to the chocolate fondant, just because this right here, the more liquid or the more gel paste you add to your white fondant, it tends to break it down and gets a little sticky. So, but I just want to show you this. If it does, I also am wearing disposable gloves. It's food coloring, but I mean, it will stain your hands temporarily. So if it's, you know, in a pinch, all you have is brown food color, you can do this. Just knead the color in, and it, like I said, it's getting very sticky at this point. Once I get it incorporated pretty good, I take my gloves off, and you want to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on your table. I'm doing this because the color in the fondant is getting very, very sticky. So I'm trying to stiffen this up a bit so it's workable. So you're going to keep working the fondant until you get it to the right consistency, the right color. And that's brown fondant. I'm Christy Vega Glue from Phoenix Cake Company. Please visit our website, phoenixcakecompany.com, for more tips and tricks and inspirational cake ideas. Thanks for watching.